What up, Knott Network? Welcome back to another vlog. It's been a minute since we've been here. We got our second dose about 2 weeks ago, so we've been waiting around and we can finally go maskless. We're excited.
We're fully vaxxed.
Fully vaxxed, yes. We are making our way towards Soak City. We're gonna hope to hit some slides up and then maybe just relax in the lazy river and get some food and yeah. So enjoy our montage. Alright, we're gonna get a locker and then we're gonna switch to our GoPro, so we are now gonna go get some food. It's lunchtime. And then we're gonna hit up that lazy river afterwards, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, we just got back from Longboard's Grill to get our food. I'm going to turn the camera real quick. Tim, he got fish and chips. Oh, fish and chips are so good. And then I got a tempura sushi roll. They're serving sushi. Can you believe it, Tim? Summertime is all about the seafood. I'm going to give Tim his food so he can start eating. And then I'm going to chow down. So we'll see.
Shark hunters. Quint.
Is Quint there?
Is Quint there?
Wrong part.
Quint's there. Okay, what up everybody? We're now just chilling near the lazy river, if you can see it behind me. We're just kicking it in the grass with our beach towels, doing some reading, relaxing. It's a nice day here at Soak City. We're having lots of fun. Yeah. Them lifeguards are clearing out the lazy river. That's the lone dude. They're like, you were the last one, bro. There's Storm Watch. We didn't go on that today. Maybe next time. However, we did have a very fun-filled day here today at Knott Soak City. Here's the lazy river. Nobody's in it right now. We are waiting for that closing announcement. There's a speaker right there.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, may I have your attention? Knott Soak City is now closed. Once again, Knott Soak City is now closed. We thank you for being with us today. We hope you and your friends enjoyed a happy and memorable day here at Knott Soak City, where food is up and down. And we hope that you return again very soon. Thank you.
God bless America. They play Leanne Rimes' God Bless America when Not Soak City closes. In case y'all wondering. I could only play it for a few seconds because of, you know, copyrights, yo. There's the baby ducks. Look at them. Look at the baby ducks. Look at them. They're looking for food. They're hoping people left food behind. We just ended our day at Soak City. We had a full, fun-filled day in the sun.
From opening to closing.
Yeah, we did a few slides. Lazy river, wave pool.
Like 4 times.
Yeah, that was good times, good times, good times. Now we are going to go change and make our way to Knott's Berry Farm. Yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already.
And thank you to our Patreons, Albert and Tom.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. See you later.